What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel where I strive every day to be a consistent, profitable Forex trader. I just wanted to hop on here real quick and show you guys some trades that I got into today. Right now, we're looking at USD Chef. So this is USD Chef on the 1 hour. If we go to the 4 hour, we can see to the left what happens. This is a very strong demand zone level down here. This is also a little level, not that big of a level like down here, but market did react off of this level on the 4 hour. So go down to the 1 hour. I think at this point where this red candle have formed, I went down to the 15 minutes to look to where I could get into the market. So I ended up getting into the market right here. It came back down a little to retest, and then it shot back up and hit my take pay. Now, I should have gotten in on this dip down. That this area right here would have been a better entry, but whatever. Right now, what I'm waiting for this pair to do is to break above this level, come back for a retest, and I would be interested in buying that up. So if we go to the 1 hour, it definitely looks like price, this may be, a time where price goes up to this trend line right here and reacts off of this trend line or whatever, it may break through. So I'm going to wait until this price breaks through this structure and gives me some sort of buy down on the 15 minute. Okay, so what else? Oh, I got into this buy right here. So as you can see off of the 1 hour, this was a very interesting trade that I wanted to take. I did see we had a trend line right here. And so what I did is I waited until I saw price, until I saw a pattern, right? A price action pattern, which right here we do have a engulfing or whatever you want to call it. But basically a reversal off of this trend line, a reversal pattern off of this trend line. So I went down to the 15 minutes to see where I could enter. And I did enter off of this green, this large green candle right here. So I entered the market right there, and then I took it up for 16 pips. It did reverse and come back down. So the fact that, this would have been the second touch on this trend line, you never know what's going to happen. What did I say I got in at? Yeah, I did get in down here. So, or did I get in up here? I can't remember, y'all. Well, whatever. So I did enter this trade. I think I got in over here, I think, because something like this, I think I was looking at. I don't know, guys, but whatever. I entered right here, yes, because it did go against me and I thought I was going to lose a trade. So I did enter right here, went up, came back down, went against me for a little bit, then went back up and then hit my take pay and then continued to reverse. So I was kind of anticipating maybe a swing trade right here, which obviously it was because price did not want to reverse at that point. But yeah, it is what it is. Now, this is another trade that I got into. This is a stupid trade. This is one of the trades where you realize, why did you get into this trade? Okay, looking at the bigger picture, right? As you can see, we do have a strong uptrend. I did fail to make an actual tunnel as opposed to this just one trend line. So what I was thinking was price. What was I thinking? I think the issue with this trade that I had was I feel like I got in on this trade on the lower time frame as opposed to the larger time frame. Yes, because I was looking for an entry. So this is what I did. I actually identified this candle right here, and I thought that that was a good opportunity to buy. Because if you notice, like in the market, when you see those candles like come off of the EMA, it usually indicates it's going to push up. It pushed up right here. It pushed up right here, pushed up right here. Like, it happens all the time in the market. So whenever I see something like that where we have a pin bar right off of the like EMA or whatnot, I always feel like it's a good opportunity to buy. So like right here is a push off of here, went up, push off of here, went reversed a little, then went up. So whenever I see those candles, I'm interested to see. I mean, I don't buy all of them because it depends on where you are in the market. However, this was a stupid trade to enter off of this one because if you see to the left, price has been pretty much consolidating or going sideways. So entering right here probably was a bad idea. I should have entered um, somewhere up here as opposed to down here. Well, actually, here's the thing though. It almost did take me out because it went up from here. It just missed my take pay, right? It didn't even knock me out of the trade and then it reversed. So I should have actually waited for price to break above this area, come back for a retest, and then buy. So because I was on the 15-minute, just like kind of like looking and waiting, I failed to go back to the 1 hour time frame and say, okay, Bethany, you got a tunnel here. Let's go ahead and draw the tunnel, because then I would have been like, wait, we're at the trend line. So why would I buy? Like, why would you buy right in this area? I mean, first of all, you got a lot of rejection right here, and this is a significant level, right? Because it's hitting the top of the trend line. So because I failed to do my proper analyzing on the 4 hour time frame, I got into a stupid trade. So that's the story of that one. Okay. So let's move on. Did we talk about is that it? No, it's one trade that I'm still in. Is this one. Okay. So your girl, okay, we're at a really significant level. All right. See what's happened in the past. It's like history repeating itself, I'm thinking, right? Um, however, price did push above that area. But if we go down to the 15-minute, like I did, I'm like, okay, so price seems like it's gonna come down. So I saw this right here and I decided to hop into the trade, like enter the trade. Where did I enter the trade? Off of this retest right here, I entered the trade and it went down a little, but then it stopped right here. And I don't know what's gonna happen, guys, but I'm trying to take it down to this level right here. So hopefully it goes down. If not, then that's a trade that I've lost. We talked about that one, and we talked about that one, and oh, we didn't talk. Yeah, we talked about that one. Oh, but we didn't talk about this one. So this is the one that I said it was a stupid trade. However, I did see a trade opportunity right here off of this this trend line. Price has multiple times hit this and went up. So when price came down to this area, I entered this trade, right? And I thought to myself, I was like, okay, Bethany, I'm working on my entry, right? So I know when market is gonna reverse. Okay, take a look at what happened right here. Market reversed and went up. What happened right here? Market reversed and went up. These are all candlestick patterns at, levels that are, well, I guess I wouldn't say levels that are interesting because this is an interesting level to have this candlestick pattern right here, not really right here, not really either. So right here, good opportunity. Right here, good opportunity. So what I ended up doing was I bought into the market and it did one of those things where it went up, almost hit me, hit my take pay, but then came back down. So when I didn't take me out of the trade, obviously I just waited. So this was another opportunity for it to hit my take pay, and it did just hit my take pay. Hit my take pay. I don't know if it's going to reverse and go back down or going to continue to go back up. We will see. And I think that's it. Uh, I think that is it. Yeah, so I'm in, like I said, guys, I'm just working on really honestly making sure that I am entering trades when I see what, when I see a pattern, because I've been studying this for 2 years. So I know what it means to have a reversal pattern or whatnot. Like up here, reversal pattern. Um, I know what it is. So for me, it's getting in the market, execution, right? Executing the trade at the right time, because I find a lot of good trade setups. This looks like it's really about to drop right here. I can find some really good trade setups. However, entering and executing, it's like I wait until like the end of the trade or the middle of the trade. And that's just like, that just produces loss after loss after loss, right? Look at my notes. Look for a red momentum candle off of this trend line area. I think I entered one of this, enter a trade. Yep, I entered the trade like somewhere in this area, but I lost it because it went back, it reversed, and it hit my stop loss right here. It took me out of the trade. But it did what I said it was gonna do. I said it was gonna come down, or yeah, I said it was gonna come down, and eventually came down after it went up and knocked me out of the trade, but that's neither here nor there. And I know like my this chart is getting a little sloppy for me, so I guess I can clean it up a little, because I honestly do not like having overly cluttered charts. So what I don't need, sometimes I like leaving my patterns up to see like how accurate I was, but that's about it. Everything else can go. Everything else. So let's see what price is going to do right here. I'm interested to see when and if it's going to break through this level right here altogether, because this is going to be a good trade setup or scenario right here. Because if you look to the left, what do you have? Like, you don't have anything until over here. So it's like a better opportunity for a longer trade. In this area. So that's what I'm waiting to do for this pair. I'll be marking everything up. All right, guys, so that's pretty much it. I'm just cleaning up this chart a little. It's not so. So that's pretty much it that I have for you guys. Yeah. I will see you guys in my next video. Hope you guys are killing it in the charts, and I hope I win this trade. We will see. I will let you guys know in my next video that I do. All right, love and light. See you guys next time. Bye.